Hi there. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a portfolio website within just 5 minutes without coding. All right. So without any further ado, let's get started. All right. So the website we are going to build is a web developer portfolio, simple portfolio website. The content is not perfect. It's just a placeholder at this moment. So this is how the website would look like. This is the about section, then this is the skill section, this is the blog section, and here you will see a contact form at the bottom. When someone clicks on the blog, it will take them to a different page, a single blog post page. So this is how the home page is. This is how the menus are laid out. Again, you can change the layout. I'll show you everything in detail. So let's create a similar website. The tool I am going to use here is Site123. The link is in the description. You can click on the link and create your account. Once you create your account, you will be landed to the dashboard. The dashboard would look something like this. So to create a new website, all you have to do is click on the plus sign, click on create a website, click on create a website for yourself. Choose the type of website. As we are building the portfolio, I'll click on CV and portfolio. Give the name to your website. Suppose I want to create it for myself, so I'll give it name as. All right, then click on open a website. It will build a basic template for you, on which you can add new elements, remove elements, or play around with that template and build your website. So these are some tutorials that you can watch or you can skip. So this is the basic template that Site123 has just created for us. And yeah, so to edit any element, all you have to do is hover over and double click. Now I can change the text over here. Let's say I want to add like, okay, that's it. So this way you can create or change the content on the website. Suppose I want to change the navigation bar. All you have to go is hover over and click on edit structure. And suppose I want this kind of menu, I'll click here. So that will be added. So here it is. And suppose I want a different background image, I'll click on background and I'll choose an image. Let's say something like this. Perfect. So we have done that. Now if you want to edit something inside the section, all you have to do is click on edit button and you can add new content over here, or simply you can remove the content or do whatever you want, add or highlight any section, add in links. Okay, once you are done, this option of save button over here, you can click on that. Alright, so once you click on save, as you can see, we have highlighted some section over here, some text over here. So this is how you edit the section. Suppose if you don't want the section, you can simply click on delete icon and you can delete the section. Suppose you want to add a new section. Suppose I want to add a gallery. I'll click on plus sign. I'll select the type of section. Suppose I want to add a gallery. I'll click that, and this gallery looks good. I'll add that. So this is added. Now suppose I want this contact forms layout to be something different. I'll click on layout and I'll choose a simple contact form without the map. So it is added. You can see. The last thing we will do is add a new page, a blog page, to our portfolio website. So in order to add a blog page, all you have to go to pages and click on add new page. Here select the blog page. So as you can see, there's this blog section. Click on that and select the layout of a blog. So I'll choose this layout. So it is added. Suppose you want to take it above the contact form, you have to click on this arrow button. Yeah, so our basic website is ready. Again, you can click here and edit the blogs as well. You can click, you can see the post, and these are the posts. You can manage posts from here. If you want to remove the post, you can remove the item as well. If you add a new post, simply click on add new post. You have to add the title and then all the content of a title. You can choose the image from here. You can choose it from image library, or you can upload from your computer. You can add the tags of your blog. You can add the meta description or a short description. You can choose to hide comments from the post or not. Custom SEO, so this is basically a paid feature of Site123, and you can also choose what how your related post will be shown under the blog post. So this is how you can manage your blog posts. So I'll click on save. Let's add a simple blog post. I'll say demo text and I'll say save. So as you can say, simple blog post is added over here. Perfect. So we have added a blog post as well. So once you are done editing everything, you have to click on publish, and it will show you the custom domains available. You can choose to go with the custom domain. You can buy, or you can stick to your default domain. Again, the default domain would look a little weird, but if that is fine with you, you can stick with your default domain, or you can choose the custom domain as well. So I will show you how our final website looks like. So this is how it is looking right now. So this is the logo, this is the menu section, this is the header section, this is about me, this is the skill section, this is the gallery, this is the blog. If I click on read more, so it will take me to a separate blog post, single page blog post. Here I can see the related posts and the option of the comments. Anyone can comment over here. As you can see here, the footer section is there, copyright is already there, powered by Site123 you will get because you are on the free plan. Yeah, so that is pretty much about Site123. You can see the footer menu is already added to your website. So this is how you can create a free website in Site123. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel. I keep on posting new videos like this around product marketing and growth. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.